Afternoon, Graham.
Hello.
How has the first meeting for your classic car events gone?
I think we had 13 cars at one stage, variation of different makes and models, so it's gone very well, and hopefully we'll try again next month.
Yeah.
On the first Saturday of the month, and hopefully we'll get a few more.
Marvellous.
This is my Triumph plane.
Yeah, so that's the same as what we was looking at from Lawrence.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we've got lots of variation of cars, and
this is your pride and joy then?
yes, it is.
Yeah.
My pride and joy.
Okay. Did you want to take us a little look around and inside it?
Yeah, can do. Yeah. It's as it was really from new. It's had a new wing on this side, but it's all quite good.
It's 1982, you say?
1982.
Yeah.
Yes. Very original inside. Not been molested in any way.
Yeah,
it's
that's
original
lovely.
Upholstery and everything, all nice and clean.
And whereabouts have people come? Has it been mostly local people?
Mostly local, yes. Just within a few miles of Skegness. Chap came from Wainfleet.
Yeah.
Been very local people, so we hope to spread it a bit further afield.
Well, they can perhaps attend on a more regular basis if they are local, but you never know, with things like this it will start to attract people from far and wide, won't it?
Right, it will.
Yeah.
So thanks to the welcoming for having us here, and we'll try again next month.
Marvellous. Well, good luck with the rest of it,
Thank
and
you very
look
much,
forward
Lee.
to seeing you again.
And you. Thank you.
Now, Glyn, one of the classic car owners, has been kind enough to let me have a ride in his Chevrolet. Is that right, Glyn?
Yeah,
It's a Chevrolet?
It's 1965 C10.
So he was telling me about the gears in this car, van, sorry. What's interesting about the gearbox on this one then?
Straight cut gears, strength.
And did it take any restoring when you bought it?
No, I had jobs to do, bit of water pumps, servicing the engine, rebuilding the car, gearbox rebuilt, new windscreen rubbers. So it's a pretty good order really, it's been looked after.
Be quite a heavy duty American work van then, I presume.
Yeah, it's been heavy, it's a half-ton truck.
Half-ton.
Carry half a ton.
So you've got some other classic vehicles, I understand, Glyn, as well. What else is in your garage?
I've got 6 classic motorcycles. Just a normal little run-around car. Bad weather. So I think that's enough. I've struggled with time really. Nice weather taking them out.
Yeah. And you think Skegness is a good place to hold a classic car convention? People come from all over and visit the seaside.
It's an holiday town as well. It's been good on the seafront. And be an holiday maker for a day, can't they?
Definitely. If it's a nice ride out, then it's a good excuse to get it dusted down, cleaned up, and it's a nice place to end up. Well, I've certainly enjoyed the ride out in the Chevrolet. It's quite a comfy ride, to be honest, and the suspension's quite bouncy, which is quite surprising, to be honest.
Basic workhorse, there's nothing electrical to break down on it.
No.
There's in computers.
Yeah.
Points and condenser.
Yeah. And are you quite handy with mechanics? Can you do most things yourself?
I keep tools in the box at the back, and spare points and whatnot. So I should be able to fix it if it broke down at the side of the road, you know?
Yeah.
You know?
And how many miles has this one done then, Glyn?
86,000.
86,000. Left-hand drive?
Yeah. It's a 52-year-old, so it's been looked after, it's been serviced regularly, so...
Has it spent most of its life in the UK, or is it...
It's a California truck. It came over in 2012, it's put on the road in 2013.
Do you know any of its history before you...
No, it was a one-owner. I've got some history with it.
Yeah.
One-owner California truck. It was a work truck.
Right.
It wasn't posing round. It was a work truck.
Yeah. Thank you very much for speaking to the Skegness Siren, Glyn. It's been an absolute pleasure.
No problem.